Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean out the stopped up veins in your pool deck or your cool decking. So let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to flip it around. Okay, so as you can see here, this is cool decking, which is a specific kind of heat resistant to an extent pool decking and for the desert, made for the desert in Arizona and other hot places. So as you can see, these veins in the concrete that there's actually stormwater and drainage veins. They're plastic, but they get stopped up after a storm rolls through and just with dirt and debris, and it doesn't do you any good for your cool decking or for your decking at all if they're stopped up. So as you can see over here, this is a corner that normally floods during storms. You can see that it's all clogged up. See all of that? So I'm just going to show you a really quick and simple, easy solution to take care of the stopped upness. Just make sure that your drainage is going in the direction towards downflow so it doesn't get stopped up quite like this. As you can see here, I've already pushed some through, but there's so much dirt and debris coming from further up the line that it has clogged up this area. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. As you can see, it's draining nicely into the ground here, right there into that hole, but it is clogged up. So here we go. Take a hose, a power spraying hose, like this one, okay? And I'm just going to aim it right at the dirt down there. See how it picks up some dirt. See how much is clogged. Now the goal is to get it to head downhill. So, as you can see, the more I spray, the more it comes up here. So I just want to keep coercing it and downhill. See where it's clogged up. So I'm going to go ahead and spray that down to move that dirt and debris as much as I can. Anywhere that's really caked on, spray it at an angle. Okay, see how that works? That's some serious clogging of the drainage here, but it is going into the ground, so that's good. See it draining into that hole right there. Right there. See how the debris is moving. It's flowing, it's going to get stuck right here, and it's going to whoop downhill.